The Ultimate range is built heavier, has more flexibility, and goes above and beyond in performance at a value that can't be beat by any standalone range. Southbend evaluated the best heavy-duty cooking platforms in the industry and improved on them to create the Ultimate range. Cooking surfaces are easily arranged in hundreds of combinations. Additional custom shelving, fluing, and many other options make this range the ultimate solution for the way you cook.
The Ultimate range is a product that's unique into itself. It really offers clients the ability to build a restaurant range the way they want it for themselves. Other companies tell you, well, this is what our restaurant range is, and if you like it, buy it. We said to the customer, you pick and choose what burners you want where, what griddles you want where, and we'll build that one range for you that way.
Seamless execution of pieces that are next to each other that work together. There has to be, that level of efficiency, that level of harmony as the pieces work together, so that the people who are working on those pieces can also work together.
The 100% stainless steel burner box is a truly unique feature of the Ultimate range, a feature no other range in the market offers. It's more durable and won't corrode like aluminized metals found in competitors' products, taking the abuse of acidic liquids and salty boilovers. And with Southbend's patented non-clog burners, you'll always get maximum output and performance.
We have all stainless steel burner boxes on our Ultimate ranges, so everything from the oven base up is stainless steel in that product.
Durability being a huge thing. I mean, when you are in a kitchen and you're busy, you're beating this.
The Ultimate range comes standard with a front gas safety shutoff valve, allowing the safe shutdown of the entire range. This front shutoff valve also enables the equipment to be serviced without having to move the range in and out of the cooking line.
They can just shut that valve off and know that each and every pilot and each and every burner is going to be out on that range immediately. That's great for a client that might not use it every day, such as a church or a firehouse, or the firehouse needs to shut their equipment down quickly if they got called to service.
The components internally are easily to, access when we actually do need service and, a routine service. Little details like that have made it really important to us.
Since you can't control where grease goes, the Ultimate range features a fully coated porcelain oven cavity. This protects every inch of the interior space from moisture and corrosion, in front and behind, and makes cleanup a snap. The Ultimate series offers performance and durability with the flexibility needed to fit your kitchen and your budget.
The performance of the burners on the Ultimate range are like nobody else's. They utilize the high efficiency, high output burners that we use on our Platinum series equipment. Again, just allowing the customer to cook hotter and faster.
Makes it way more fast, way more efficient, way less complicated to do some of the things that we're doing.